Hey guys, what is going on? Today we are going to talk about something I've been getting asked a lot about lately, and that is collagen. We're gonna go over what is it not, and what makes the new collagen that just came out so darn special. So I'm gonna help you implement this into your routine and figure out if this is something that is best for you. Now, let's first get this straight. Do you have to get collagen and everything under the sun as a supplement? No, you do not. We are all about adding in supplements where they fit in best for you and what your body needs for you and your goals, okay? So first of all, what is collagen? Collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in our body. Now that might be kind of confusing because we talk about protein all of the time. Collagen comprises of things like our ligaments. So think of a joint, your ligament, your cartilage. That's why collagen is so big on joint health, helping your achy joints. Okay, it's also a structure for our hair, skin, nails. That is collagen. It is super abundant in our body. It is literally one of the proteins that make up these building blocks. I always talk about how protein is a building block to our body. This is one of them, collagen, okay? So that's why, again, you'll see hair, skin, nail focus with collagen, as well as joint focus. And I know a lot of you guys take collagen in here for those reasons. So I'm going to continue on and go over what collagen is not for, and then I'm going to go over how collagen can in fact truly benefit you, how to get the most bang for your buck, okay? So collagen is not meant to replace your whole food protein sources, your complete protein sources. And what does that mean? That's going to mean things like, let's talk about supplements here first, since we're talking about a collagen supplement. It's not meant to replace your level 1 complete protein source or your formula 1 complete protein source. The thing with collagen is that it does lack BCAAs, branched chain amino acids, which means that a collagen supplement will not help stimulate muscle protein synthesis, okay? So that anabolic state that I talk about all the time, that fat burning state, that is going to come from complete protein sources. Also, when we're talking now about whole foods, we're talking about chicken, beef, okay, fish, eggs. Those are going to be your complete protein sources that are going to help with that muscle protein synthesis. Collagen does not help with that, okay? So adding collagen, for example, to your coffee, you're not going to want to replace that with your level 1 that you're adding to your coffee, because again, it's not going to fill in that protein gap that we want, okay? Rule of thumb with collagen, we do not want it to take up 10% of our protein goal. So when we're talking about macronutrients, 10% of that protein that you hit, you don't want it to consume more of 10% of this collagen, okay? Because again, it is not a complete protein source that is going to keep our body in that anabolic state. So don't think that this is to replace that. This is to add on to help your body benefit in the joint category and in the hair, skin, and nail category, okay? So let's go over this again in a more simple way. The true benefits when you are talking about collagen, we first want to hit our protein goal for the day with complete protein sources that I just went over. And then what we can do is add in a collagen supplement that is going to then further help your joint health and your skin health. Because when your body is searching for protein, protein is protein, it is going to use it for what it needs. So if you hit that protein goal, add in that collagen, your body is going to benefit most from that collagen when you take that approach, okay? That priority approach, that's the word I was searching for, okay? So with this new collagen supplement, the collagen with Dermaval, this is going to be really your gold standard collagen, and it has some added benefits, as you can imagine, to this supplement, because First Form does always do such a great job. So with collagen in general, there are going to be different types of collagen in here to approach things like your ligament health, cartilage health. You're going to see a type 1 collagen, type 2, type 3 collagen. all in which these different types are going to play different roles in the body, okay? So just one scoop is one serving of the collagen is going to give you roughly 15 grams of protein, but again, not to replace the whole food or complete protein sources. And you can add it to things like your reds and greens, your protein coffee. It is flavorless, okay? Another thing you'll notice about this collagen is that it is hydrolyzed, which means it is going to be broken down so your body can digest this more easily, absorb it, and use it, which is super important when it comes to a lot of supplementation actually to help your body take in those nutrients, okay? So that is something to be aware of and you want to look for when it comes to collagen. So another huge thing that I want to point out with the collagen, with Dermaval, is what the heck is Dermaval, right? It's on the front, it must be important, and it is something that is a standout to me. Because with Dermaval, it's not only going to, this product in general, work on collagen, which is really the structure of things, it's going to, the Dermaval is going to help with the elastin, the elasticity of our ligaments, our cartilage, and then also our skin. That's a big one that a lot of us care about. So when we talk about skin firmness, a lot of people refer to sagginess or even things like cellulite. This is what we're thinking when we're talking about when we're thinking about elasticity. So if you think about smiling or some kind of facial expression and your skin's able to go back to where it's supposed to and not be saggy or just kind of droop in place, as silly as that sounds, but this is what the Dermaval blend helps with. Another thing in school we learned is when you pinch your skin up and how fast does it go back down in place, that's your skin's elasticity, okay? So that is really all in all with the Dermaval blend. It's going to have phytonutrients, micronutrients in there specific to help the elasticity of the skin, pretty much for it to bounce back. How firm is it? How stable is that skin? And it's helping strengthen that hair, skin, nails, those structures naturally. So I view this as a preventative approach to helping your skin and your joints, as well as if you're someone that needs some rebooting as well in the hair, skin, nail category, as well as the joints. So if you are someone who is taking a collagen, reach out to me. I can look over the collagen you're taking, or if you want to jump on board, support us with the collagen since you're already taking it, that would be great too. But again, this is something that is specific to each individual needs. Do not replace this with the whole food protein source. Do not replace this with level 1 or formula 1. This is simply an add-in based on your needs, okay? So again, if you have any questions, let me know.